Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scale up or how to resize image without damage to that image. So we have image with pizza, so I need add text to here, add text like pizza makes anything possible. This is a code. When I add it, uh, our pizza cover with that text. So I need to resize this image and move down this pizza little bit. So I click on move tool and click on our layer. First of all I have to convert it to a layer, so I convert it to layer, then I click on it. After that I go to crop tool and scale it down. So okay, great. Now I have to go to edit and content area scale. After that I can drag this image without scratching our pizza. So now it's so cool, and this is a perfect image for Instagram. So this is our first example, and if I highlight this, let me highlight it. Okay, I add drop shadow, then yeah, it's perfect for Instagram. So content area scale is a great feature, and we can do cool stuff with that feature. So let's go to next image. In this I need to resize this image to this place. This is our background, so this is our background. I convert it to layer, and this is our layer. So I need to fill this white space with our image. So if I drag it like this, my image get damaged, so I don't need to damage it. So easy way is go to edit and go to content area scale, then resize it. Nice and easy. After that click OK, then we have covered image without any issues. So this is a cool feature. Then so now we have two images, then we have another image. So in this image I need to scale up. Let's say scale up this like this, and this one for like long banner. Okay, now I go to move tool and try to scale up. When I try to scale up, this girl's image get damaged, so she is stretching. So I need her like this. To do that I have to let's try it with content area scale, and yeah, same issue. So oh no. So to fix it I have to select this place, and first of all I have to go to rectangle marquee tool, then select this girl image like this and go to select. After that save selection, then you have to add name. So this girl name is, let's say, girl, pretty little girl, and I remove the what I did. I just select the girl and save it. After that I unselect it and go to edit, then click on content area scale. After that there is combo box called protect. In here currently it's none, so I need to select our selection, that is girl. So I click on girl, then I can resize it without do any damage to image. So that is so cool feature. So this is the video. Yeah, I hope you understand how to make image without damage to that image. So I think you get good understand on this video. So thanks for watching, and feel free to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.